Namaste children. In today's English class, we are going to see a new lesson from our workbook. I hope you all will have your workbook with you. Now take page number 15 children. Yes, the lesson name is Flying Trout. So this is a new lesson. So we are going to start it today. I hope you all will enjoy this lesson. Shall we move on to the lesson children? Yes. Last summer, I was staying in a house nearby the river. Early one morning, I went for a walk. So, here, I is the author who is saying the story. So, this author was staying near a river. One day, in the early morning, he went for a walk. As I came to the bend in the river, a surprising thing happened. So when this author reached the river, some surprising thing had happened. I saw a fish flying through the air over the top of some bushes to land on the other side. This fish was a trout. So the author saw a fish which was flying in the air from the bush. The fish was a trout. Trout is nothing but the fish which lives in the river or stream. It is called as trout. I had sometimes seen trout jump out of the water to catch a fly or some other insect, but I had never seen one jump so high into the air. So usually this trout fish, what it will do, it used to jump from the water to catch the fly. Fly means what? Fly or insect. So the author has never seen such kind of fish before which was jumping so high. Soon it was followed by another one. I was very surprised and decided to find out why these fish were leaping out of water. So after some time, another fish also start to jump. So the author wants to know why these fish are leaping. Leaping is nothing but jumping out of water. Peering through the trees on the river bank, I saw that a large tree trunk had fallen across the river. Sitting on its fallen trunk was a large black bear. So this author started to watch the river by hiding himself behind the tree. Okay, after that he can able to see that a tree trunk was fallen across the river. Trunk means what? ஒரு மரம் வந்து அப்படியே சாஞ்சி என்ன இருக்கு? இந்த பாலத்துக்கு நடுவுல விழுந்திருக்கு across the river. So after that he can able to see a black bear was sitting in the trunk. Her back was towards me and she was bending down with one paw in the water. I saw the bear remove her paw from the water, fling something to the side in a flash. So after that this author was able to see that the bear was bending his front paw in the water to catch the fish. The author was at the back of the bear. Okay. Another trout went flying through the air and fell behind the bushes. So after that what happened? Again another trout, that is the fish. Okay, it started to fly and it fell behind the bush. Okay. Curious, I crept slowly towards the bushes. I saw two cubs fighting for the fish their mother had thrown to them. The mystery of the flying trout was solved. I quickly escaped before the mother bear saw me. So this author wants to know how the fish was jumping behind the bushes, because the fish used to jump in the water, but the fishes are now jumping in the bushes. So he want to see what is happening in the bush. After that only he came to know that two bear cubs, can you able to see the two bear cubs here? So they are fighting with each other to eat the fish. Then the author was clear that The fish was jumping because of these two bears are fighting for a fish. So what this author did, before the mother bear saw him, he moved out of that place. Now next we are going to discuss the comprehension from the same lesson, the flying trout. Children, all of you take page number 16, ma. Yes. Shall we start, ma? So the first question is, you have to say whether the given statement is true or not true. So first statement is, the speaker was staying in a house by the river. The answer is true. Yes. Next, second question. He went for a walk in the evening. Did the author went for a walk in the evening? No. He went for the walk in the morning. So the statement is not true. Third question. He saw a catfish flying in the air. So we have said that trout is a fish that lives in the river. So catfish is also a kind of fish which lives in the river. So the given statement is true. Fourth question. A fish flew over the tops of bushes and landed on the river bank. So this statement is yes, true. Next, fifth question. Peering through the trees, the narrator saw two small bear cubs. So the answer for this question is true, because the narrator has seen cubs, they are fighting for the fish. Sixth question. The fish were not flying but were actually being thrown. The statement is yes, true, because the cubs are fighting for the fish. Because of that, the fish were flying. Okay. Next, seventh question. Two cubs were fighting for the fish in the bushes. Yes, the statement is true. Last question. The bear saw the speaker. Did the bear saw the speaker? No, he didn't see the speaker, because the speaker was at the back of the bear. So the answer is not true. Yes, children, I hope you all enjoyed the lesson very well. That's all. We have completed the workbook lesson. Thank you.